Hello guys, welcome to the Immigrant Dashboard. I hope that you are ready to get your green card based on diversity visa lottery. That's what we are talking about today, and I will help you in every way I can. The main secret is not to be afraid. If you're still hesitant, you think, should I do it, should I not do it? Just act on it, okay? So to enter this DV lottery or to get the golden ticket to the United States, you have to be from one of the qualifying countries and you must have a high school diploma or minimum of 2 years experience within the last 5 years in a job that normally requires at least 2 years of training. You can do it. I believe in you. So when it comes time to claim your green card, all you have to do is to prove that you're not inadmissible. In other words, you have to show that you can support yourself financially in the country, or someone else from the United States can help you with the finances. It's either your relative or friend or potential employer, whatever. Then you have to show that you're not a criminal, and you have to prove that you don't have any physical or mental defects. Basically, all you have to do is to complete 3-step process. Step number 1. Go to the website travel.state.gov, then click US visas, go to immigrate and then click diversity visa. And that's where you see all necessary information, up-to-date information, because information changes. You will see the list of the qualifying countries, you will see when you can apply, and then you have to register your form at dvprogram.state.gov. It's very important to fill in every answer on this form or your entry will be disqualified. Please send only one registration per person. Do not send separate registration forms for your children unless they qualify on their own and they're willing to immigrate without you. After you correctly registered online, you will see a screen containing your name and a unique confirmation number. Do not lose it. It is a good idea to print out this confirmation screen because you will need this number to check whether you've been selected at dvprogram.state.gov. But if you lose this confirmation number, not a big deal, you can retrieve it on the same website using your email address you've registered with by entering personal information to confirm your identity. So make sure to check the State Department Diversity Visa website at dvlottery.state.gov as soon as they announce the winners. Usually it happens between May or June, so that you can keep going, keep working on your green card application if you want. Online DV entrance status check website is the only way to find out whether you've been selected. No one's going to send you a letter or email or any other personal notice, so please go online and check yourself. Some information from the lottery application include your name, your gender, your date of birth, city, country you were born in, country of eligibility and eligibility for DV program, passport, 3 photographs, mailing address, country where you live right now, your phone number, email address, the highest level of your education, marital status, number of children, that's very important, spouse information, children information. All in all, it will take you from 3 to 4 hours to fill in all this information. Step number 2, if your name has been drawn in a lottery, you must act quickly to apply for the green card. This is because the State Department selects more people than it has visas for. So let's say 50,000 visas are available each year, but more than double that number of people may be told they were selected. That's why it is so important to act promptly. One important piece of information you will receive upon selection is your rank number. You are allowed to submit your application for a visa or adjustment of status according when a visa becomes available in your regional category, and that's what your rank number is for. So the lower the rank number, the better. Visas start to become available on the first day of each fiscal year, which is October 1st. Okay, if you live outside of the United States, file your application at a local US consulate and attend the interview there. If you live in the United States, the most convenient choice for you would be to adjust the status without leaving the United States. So send your application to USCIS and attend your interview at a local USCIS office. Once your application is filed, your stay in the United States will be considered legal and you can apply for work permit. If your immigrant visa isn't issued before the end of the fiscal year for which you were selected, your registration becomes void and you lose the chance for your green card. That is why it is so important to submit your green card application in an office that is not slow or backed up. If you currently reside outside of the United States, then you will apply for an immigrant visa through US consulate in your home country. You will need to fill out an application DS-260 and submit it online. So make sure to print the confirmation page when you're done. You'll need to take it to a consular interview. It will take you up to 3 to 4 hours to fill in this DS-260. After your DS-260 has been approved, follow the instructions on the State Department Diversity Visa Process website to submit your documents to Kentucky, which include proof of education, police clearance, fingerprints, photos, and medical exam. Before the interview at the consulate, you must pay the diversity visa lottery fee. Currently, it is $330 per person, but it may change. This fee is non-refundable, whether a visa is issued or not. Step number 3, the most exciting step. If you process your application through overseas, your immigrant visa will be placed on a page in your passport. So please review the visa and make sure that all information is correct. If your visa has any spelling errors, contact the embassy or consulate right away. You also get a sealed visa packet containing documents to show to the border officials when you get to the United States. Do not open this sealed packet. Your immigrant visa allows you to request entry to the United States at the border, airport, or any other arrival point. Before you can get a green card, you have to pay one last fee, the USCIS immigrant fee, which is currently $190, but again, check the numbers. Each member of the family traveling with you will be charged the same fee. The only way to pay it is online, so you have to create an account, have your alien number and Department of State case ID numbers ready. You need also a valid credit or debit card or US bank checking account and routing numbers. You require the full status of a green card holder only after the secondary inspection. The inspection process involves a US border officer opening the sealed visa packet containing your entry documents and doing last check to make sure that you have not used fraud. Please be polite and careful in answering the questions. Once an officer sees everything is in order, he or she will stamp your passport to show that you are now a US permanent resident. You are immediately authorized to work in the United States. Your green cards will be ordered and will come to you by mail several weeks later at the home address you provided to US Customs and Border Protection upon arriving in the United States. My congratulations on becoming a permanent resident of the United States, a beautiful country where you can show the world your potential, be happy with your family, with your friends. If you have any questions, please comment down below, subscribe to this channel not to miss any immigration news, and like this video if it was helpful. See you later!